Last time on Sailing Tipsy Turtle.
Why? The bilge pump is not working.
Probably gonna shock the shit out of myself. One, two. So yesterday after sailing, we found out our bilge pump was no longer working. And so there's quite a bit of water in there, but it was also as weird as the panel. There's dead switches on the panel now, so I'm gonna dive in and try to figure out what the heck.
Here, I'm filming as long as you get.
No, this isn't even the right kind of connector. Okay. Let's do this. This came undone. Well, let's see if it really is just.
Follow the heel.
Oh my god.
One of them went in the water. The water. They just won't stop. And there's one in the water you probably won't grab.
Not right this second.
So it goes. There's still a little. What's that sound?
Is the other bilge pump really not working?
I want some of that.
I can't watch that. It's not. We're not plugged in.
Not bad. You can watch something on that telly. Yeah.
So yeah, there was a spare bilge pump on board, and when I went to put it in, got it all the way in, and it is the wrong size for the tubing that is down there. So yeah, one thing I did notice is that the tube is kinked pretty bad. I don't know if that maybe caused the other one to fail. Let me know. But I think I'm gonna cut that and then replace that section of hose with this. I've got this guy to put them together, and I'm gonna install this 1100 gallon per hour bilge pump. Alright, now I just cut the hose. Now I've got this other one. It's not clear, but it'll work, I think. I don't know why it wouldn't. Here we go. Alright, all my memory cards are almost full. Not ideal. Alright, so we got this. And use this to splice together the hoses. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Oh, except for this is not gonna fit on this. Alright, what to do. So I had to sand off one of this guy here on that end. It would not go on, and I had to sand down a little bit of this rib. Hoping it'll still have enough. Hope it'll hold on once I put the clamp on. I don't know, we'll see. That's what I have on board. Now to see how much of this I need. Let's get it on there. Yeah, guess I could have got this a little bit more ready. Alright, that's on. Now I'm gonna put the other bilge pump over there where it belongs, and then see how much hose I need to cut off. Alright, so now let's just see if we can None of the wires are live right now, but I am trying to still keep them out of the water. Okay. Okay, looks like it has power. Let's just do a quick test before I set it in there. Then I'm going to come back in and do this wiring right as soon as I have the right stuff. It's probably easier to rip this. Oh, maybe not. That's not ideal. I think I'm gonna have to redo this one. Yep. Okay. Got everything set up to test, but I am gonna have to come back and rewire it because I didn't have the right connectors or anything, so I had to get a little crazy. Do this with some electrical tape, and so let's see if this works. In the last video of Sailing Tipsy Turtle, we talked about how I had dropped the hard drive, and well, this section of the video is corrupted, so I cannot show you how it works, but it does work, and we're ready to go. As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the episode and want to help us out, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.